Welcome to the VashistX. I'm your host Smith Patel, an educator at VashistX. Today we are going to understand three main concepts, that is algorithm, flowchart and pseudocode. Now we are going to understand the pseudocode. In algorithm we are mentioning the steps. In a flowchart we are visualizing the steps. But actually what we needed is coding. Nearest programming language towards this among three representation is a pseudocode, where in any DSA or a DA you are learning algorithms, you always see there will be a given algorithm and you have another pseudocode on which you are implementing any of the programming language code. That is why the pseudocode is most important. It's an English programming language if I say in a simple word. So pseudocode method to represent the algorithm is an artificial or informal language that helps programmer to develop the algorithms. Now the programmers is a highlighted word because we are going to do programming, and for the programming we require pseudocodes. It is a very similar to the everyday English language that we see. Let's understand the pseudocodes with the examples. The first example, where you have to determine student's final score and indicate its passing or fail, and the grade is calculated with the average of a 4 marks. So we take the input of 4 marks, we calculate the average by doing the summation and division by the 4, and if and else part that you are saying, exactly that particular part is exactly the pseudocode looks like. If your average is below 50, then print fail, else print pass. This is to transform you from algorithm to the pseudocode. Pseudocode will be more programmatical, where you define the variables, you have if else condition, you have for loop, while loop. This such of loops you have. Find the largest number in a list that we earlier seen. Let's say you have a list, that is list of numbers. We declare a largest, then we assign the first value of the list to the largest. Then we use a for loop. If the number is greater than the largest will be the number. And if we had ended the if, we ended the for, and we write the largest, that we value returned. And at the end we close that function. For this whole largest number in a list, we'll come up with a video so that you can understand this battle. We'll try to get with